is SITI HAJAR binti SHUKRI, and my group members is IZZAH binti IBRAHIM and HUSNANAJIAN binti HASIM. We are from L1M4. In this video, we would like to share with you guys about vanilla sponge cake recipe. The ingredients needed are superfine flour, egg, caster sugar, overlay, fresh milk, baking powder, vanilla essence, and margarine. Before we start making the cake, we must mix in place all the necessary ingredients as shown in the video. We must weigh all the ingredients according to the correct measure. So, let's mix in place all the ingredients. Firstly, put 210 grams of superfine flour in a bowl while watching the scales. Stop if it's ready. 210 grams. And add 5 egg grade A, then put the egg in the bowl filled with superfine flour. After that, add 175 grams caster sugar in the same bowl as the egg and the superfine flour earlier. At the same time, use the scale putting caster sugar in the bowl. Then, please stop when 175 grams is enough. Next, insert overlay in the bowl as much as 14 grams only. Use anything to make you easier to estimate the weight. Enter liter by liter. Stop when enough 40 grams. Before that, do melt margarine. Add the margarine to the saucepan as much 115 grams to be melted, and add little by little so as not to exceed and not decrease according to the measure. After weighing enough margarine, put it on the stove. Stir to boil over low heat. A few minutes later, cool the melted margarine. Then, continue mix another ingredient. Put 5 grams baking powder into the bowl with the ingredients. Stop when enough 5 grams. After that, add 5 grams of vanilla essence. When it's done, spread margarine on the baking pan. Then grease the floor at the baking pan. on all sides of baking pan. This is to prevent the cake from sticking to the baking pan. Let it be this way. And then collect the ingredient we made earlier like this melted margarine. Then prepare to mixture all the ingredients. Make it in the low speed. This is because to mix all the ingredients together without ingredients out from the bowl. After mixing all the ingredients, turn into the high speed. To use this mixer, we need to hold it carefully. Mix all the ingredients until the texture ready and turn into white color. After that, put milk margarine into the mixture slowly. And fold it gently to combine the fat. You can mix it hardly. Then put all the mixed ingredients into baking pan little by little.
After finish, put the dough. Please do not heat the container, just flatten in. Then bake it in oven. After that, put the baking pan center to make sure they get cooked. Then bake at 180 Celsius for 30 until 45 minutes. After cooking, remove it and cool outside. Then remove cake from the baking pan to the cake rack. Then do remove the layer of cake skin evenly. After that, we need to make a measurement on the surface of the cake. Next, cut the cake while follow the measurement. Now glaze the cake with simple syrup before frosting. Then put the buttercream icing on the cake. After put the buttercream icing on the cake, we need to spread buttercream icing evenly. After spread buttercream icing, then put the blueberry flavor on the cake. At the same time, layer buttercream icing with blueberry flavor. Next, place the cut cake pieces together and tidy it up. After that, put the buttercream icing again. Spread the buttercream on the cake nicely. Then do the layer on cake again using buttercream icing. Layers until smooth so that it is easy to decorate the cake.
Now, after finishing, make a pattern on the cake so that the cake will look more valuable. Then, put the blueberry flavor again on the cake as a topping. Now, spread on the entire surface of the cake. Then make a pattern on the surface of the cake like this. This will make our cake look more beautiful and nice. After that, do the measurement on the cake. Then cut the cake with follow that measurement. At this time also, we can put topping on the cake to make cake look more interesting. And now it's done. This is beautiful vanilla sponge cake with blueberry flavor topping. Now it's ready to serve to everyone.
You got me singing.